Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Diona. So in today's video, I want to talk about this gorgeous hair. Okay, this hair was sent to me by this company. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce your name. I'm so sorry, but Niseyo, I don't know, is that how you say it? Okay, it's the closest you're gonna get. All right, but let me tell you. When they emailed me and said they wanted to cooperate, I was like, is this a scam? Is this real? So, you know, I was like, okay. I went through with it. They let me pick the hair color and everything. I was like, oh my God, this is real. But here's the thing. Here's the thing that really got me. The hair came super quick, mind you. And the hair is actually amazing. I was like, this is not no cheap hair. This hair is actually super soft, okay? This is 12 inches. There were 6 bundles, but I'm gonna show you everything like when I'm actually getting ready to crochet my hair. This is just the intro part because I wasn't sure if I was gonna make 2 parts, but I had to make 2 parts because I had to get cute. Okay, I could not just have my hair cute and not my face beat. Had to get the edges slayed, the makeup did, and it's a jewelry. I had to get it all. Okay, I had to get it all. Anyway, back to the hair. So they sent me the 6 packs. The 6 bundles per pack, which was the perfect amount. I used every single one of them because I like my hair to be super full. Okay, you did not have to use all. I probably could have left 1 bundle out. Okay, but like I said, I like my hair to be super full. I'm gonna show you the braid patterning and everything coming up next. I did not pre-wash this hair. I've just put the hair directly in. Most of the time I do pre-wash my hair just in case, you know, because my scalp is like really sensitive sometimes. But my hair is not itching. My scalp is not itching. My scalp is fine. The hair smelled really good. There was no well, it didn't have no scent. Okay, that's what I mean. Like, it had no scent. So, you know, it's like some hair have like chemical scents. It did not have any scent. So I was like, okay, this is perfect. The hair is soft, everything. So they sent me also this bundle, which I was like, what you want me to do with that? I was a little confused, but I was like, okay, it's okay. I'm gonna just show it in case somebody out there like this hair color. Now let me tell you something. If I would have received like a whole, like other 6 bundles of this, or like half and half, I probably would have tried to make and do both colors to mix and match. But 1 bundle wasn't gonna do it for me. I could not mix and match for 1, but I was like, I'm supposed to do with this. But if you are somebody who likes this hair color, I'm telling you, this hair is perfect. I love the 12 inches. Usually I get like 30-inch hair, but lately I've been trying to get short and shorter. But this hair, honey, oh, I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is a 10 out of 10. I will be making purchases from this hair company in the future because it's actually good. The product is actually worth it, okay? It's not cheap. It doesn't tangle, and yes, but I sleep with a headscarf. I sleep with a headscarf every night, okay? Because it is synthetic hair. If you do not take care of synthetic hair like you take care of your own hair, of course it's going to tangle. But if you take the proper precaution, your hair is going to be perfectly fine. And me, I usually keep my crochet hair in about a month, 3 weeks minimum. Okay, minimum 3 weeks. So I try to keep it there as long as possible. So hopefully I will update you in the comments down below if this hair actually held me up for a month, because right now this hair is perfect. People love it. I get compliments on it. Girl, the hair is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Get it. Buy it. It's gorgeous, okay? Perfect length. This is 12 inches, okay? 12 inches. And you know, I don't know if anybody ever noticed, like in my hair videos, I always leave this part out, like these 2 hanging, because this is the most thinnest part of my hair. Like, my edges are thin, okay? The rest of my hair be thick, but the front, baby, she didn't get the memo. She didn't understand the assignment. She didn't know that she was supposed to be thick as the whale. So I just leave this part out, but I was like, hold on. This is a look. It's a look. It's a look. It's a look. I love it. Yes, like I said, gorgeous hair. Everything will be linked down in the description below. I would tell you the actual hair number, but here's the thing. I was so excited when I got the hair, I threw everything away. I threw everything away. I threw the box away, I threw the packaging away, everything went in the trash. And I just couldn't wait to actually put it in. So that being said, when I get the link and everything, I will put it down in the description, the actual link to the actual hair color and everything. I'm telling you, you will not regret buying this hair. Ever since I learned how to braid my hair back and put some crochet hair in there, girl, a stylist hasn't seen me in years. Okay, had not been to a stylist in years, and I don't think I will be going back because, well, maybe because I do want some styles that I can't do on my own. But until then, crochet hair got you, baby. We got you. Just learn how to braid. Even if you don't know how to braid, honey, flat twist. Get creative. They got videos. Go to YouTube. I did. I'm here now. So that's all for this video. But I'm telling you, hair 10 out of 10. Go get it. Go grab it. It's worth it. It's super soft. And did I tell you it's handmade hair? Like somebody hard-working hands made this. It made it, baby. It made it. So go buy it. You'll love it. I'm telling you. You guys have a wonderful, blessed night, and I will be seeing you all in my next video, okay? Thank you. They sent me this. I don't know why they sent me this color. Like, if you were gonna send me an extra pack, you could at least make sure that it matched. But I was like, maybe I can try and get it to mix in. My hair is already put in the what is it, illusion method braiding style. If you want a detailed video on that, I can, but I will link the video where I actually showed kind of like detail on how I did it. So the hair comes with 2 crochet needles, which I absolutely love that. I never used a crochet needle that looks like this. I don't know what hair that's gonna pull through for me, but I actually really like that. Then this one, which I really like. There is 6 packs of the hair in there. This is, by the way, this is handmade crochet hair. So if you have any questions, please contact us. They have the email at the bottom. Yeah. So I will link the site and all that at the bottom when they send it to me after I actually do the video, I guess. So they had shown me a couple of pictures of like different colors. Okay, so it's 12. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so it's 12 little pieces, right? I think I have 11 braids. Okay, 11. This is so cute. Okay, this is so cute. There's not really any scent. Crochet it in. When I get kind of close, I'm gonna pop back on the video and show y'all the process. This is what 3 whole packs look like, okay? 3 whole packs. That's these. I was definitely thinking, I was like, oh man, I hope this be enough. Cause usually I like for it to look really full, but baby, this is looking very full on its own. I don't have to overstuff anything. So far, I absolutely love this hair. It didn't have any bad scent. I never actually had a hair that had any chemical scent in the first place, but I know some people like who get hair, they say that it had like a chemical scent. I never actually had that problem before. I did not pre-wash this hair. I just put it right on in straight from the pack. So hopefully, because it's handmade, there's not like a lot of chemicals on there or anything that should irritate my scalp, because I will be so quick to snip snip. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. bye.